Subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. It's totally free. Hello everybody. Welcome to Juris Central online classes for law exams. Today I am back with yet another awesome session where I will be discussing solved paper of DU LLM entrance test 2012 with correct answers. We have recently launched our website called www.juriscentral.com. Kindly visit the site where you would find the solved papers already done on this channel for your revision at free of cost. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing it for all related informations in future. So without wasting any time, let us start. Question number 1. Which of the following is the largest committee of parliament? The correct answer is option number D, estimate committee. Estimate committee is consisting of 30 members who are already elected by Lok Sabha every year from amongst its members. Second, from the constitution of which of the foreign country the idea of preamble was borrowed in Indian constitution? The correct answer is option number B, USA, United States of America. Third, under which article of the Constitution untouchability is abolished and its practice is made punishable? The correct option is option number B, Article 70. Let's see about the other articles. Article 18 deals with abolition of titles. Article 16 deals with equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 15 deals with prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Fourth, in case of armed forces, the fundamental rights granted under Articles 14 and 19 of the Constitution are. The correct option is option number A, available only according to law made by Parliament, and this is given under Article 33, which deals with power of Parliament to modify the rights conferred by this part in their application, etc. Question number 5. On which of the following grounds the right to freedom of religion cannot be restricted? The correct option is option number D, security of state. Sixth, in which of the following circumstances preventive detention can be enforced as per Article 22 of the Constitution? The correct option is option number D, during normal times. Question number 7. Under which jurisdiction the Supreme Court hears dispute between the Government of India and one or more states? The correct option is option number D, original jurisdiction. 8. Which of the fundamental rights cannot be suspended during the proclamation of national emergency? The correct option is option number B. Articles 20 and 21 cannot be suspended. 9th, what is the nature of a legislation enacted by state legislature? The correct option is option number C. It is supreme. 10th, the protection of Article 20 clause 3 is not available to. So the correct option is option number A, confession of guilt made to a friend who visits the accused who is in police custody. 11th, who administers the oath to the President of India? The correct option is option number D, Chief Justice of India. 12th, under which article of the Constitution the Parliament has the power to make law for giving effect to international agreements? The correct option is option number B, Article 253. Let's see about the other articles. Article 248 deals with residuary powers of legislation. Article 250 deals with power of Parliament to legislate with respect to any matter in the state list if a proclamation of emergency is in operation. And Article 254 deals with inconsistency between laws made by Parliament and laws made by the legislatures of state. 13th, which of the following is not a money bill? The correct option is option number B, a bill providing for the imposition of fines or other pecuniary penalties. Article 110 of Indian Constitution deals with definition of money bill. 14th, which article of the Constitution makes common law of England applicable in India? The correct option is option number C, Article 372. Article 372 says continuance in force of existing laws and their adoption. 15th, while a proclamation of emergency is in operation, the duration of Parliament may be extended beyond 5 years by Parliament for a period not exceeding. The correct option is option number C, 1 year at a time. This is given under Article 83, which deals with duration of Houses of Parliament. 16th, write the correct order of the words as used in the preamble of the Constitution. The correct option is option number A, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. 17th. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The correct option is option number B. There can be a governor for 2 or more states, and this is given under Article 153, which deals with governors of states. 18th. Whom shall the reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India relating to the accounts of the unions shall be submitted? The correct option is option number A, President of India. And this is given under Article 151, which deals with audit reports. 19th. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India relating to the office in the like manner on the like grounds as a. The correct option is option number B, Judge of the Supreme Court. Article 148, it is given under Article 148, which deals with Comptroller and Auditor General of India. 20th. Which article confers advisory or consultative jurisdiction on Supreme Court? The correct option is option number D, Article 143. Article 143 deals with advisory jurisdiction, as it is already given in the question itself. Let's see about the other articles. Article 131 deals with original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Article 140 deals with ancillary powers of Supreme Court. Article 142 deals with enforcement of decrees and orders of Supreme Court and unless as to discovery, etc. 21st. Which one of the following is not an essential condition for the appointment of a judge of Supreme Court in India? The correct option is option number B. A citizen of India who has been for at least 2 years a Chief Justice of High Court. 22nd. Which one of the following is correct for the appointment of Attorney General of India as per Article 76 of the Constitution? The correct option is option number D. A citizen of India who is qualified to be appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court. 23rd. Who will inquire into and decide doubts and disputes arising out of or in connection with the election of a president or vice president? Kindly correct yourself. This is not election, this election. This is a small typographical mistake which I did while typing. So kindly ignore this mistake. So the correct option is option number A, Supreme Court, and this is given under Article 71, which deals with matters relating to or connected with the election of a president or vice president. 24. Which of the following is correct? The correct option is option number D. The Vice President of India shall continue to receive any salary or allowance payable to the Chairman of Council of States even when he acts as President for or discharge the functions of the President. 25th. Which of the following is incorrect for fundamental duties are laid down in Article 51A? The correct option is option number A. Fundamental duties are self-executing. 26. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court described Indian Constitution as not truly federal? The correct option is option number A. The State of West Bengal versus Union of India. Let's see about the other case law. State of Bihar versus Shailbala Devi deals with the subject of freedom of speech and expression. Kameshwar Singh versus State of Bihar and OK Ghosh versus EX Joseph. Both of these cases deals with freedom of speech and expression of government employees. 27th. Judicial review in Indian Constitution is based on. So it is based on option number D, procedure established by law. 28th. A law made by Parliament having extraterritorial operation shall. The correct option is option number B, not be deemed invalid, and this is given under Article 245, which deals with extent of laws made by Parliament and by the legislatures of states. 29th. Which of the following rights was declared by B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? The correct option is option number A, right to constitutional remedies. 30th. Writ which can be issued only against the judicial or quasi-judicial authorities is known as. So it is known as certiorari, option number D. 31st. A law abridging fundamental rights is not a nullity. It only remains inoperative till the shadow of fundamental rights falls over it. This doctrine is known as, doctrine of the eclipse, option number B. Let's see about the other options. Doctrine of pith and substance. It's actually used to determine under which head of power a given legislation falls. Doctrine of severability. It's some particular provision of a statute offense or is against a constitutional limitation, but that provision is severable From the rest of the statute, only that offending provision will be declared void by the court and not the entire statute. And doctrine of pleasure is given under Article 310, which deals with tenure of office of person serving the union or a state. So the person who is serving under the union or a state actually serves the office during the pleasure of the president, and this is only known as doctrine of pleasure. 32nd. How many members can be nominated by President of India? The correct option is option number C, 12 members to Rajya Sabha. 33. Whom does the UPSC submits its annual report on its work to? The correct option is option number A, President of India. 34. The pure theory of law is, so it's a theory of positive law in general, option number A. 35th. According to Professor Rawls, the first priority rule. So the first priority rule is the priority of liberty, option number A. 36. The theory of social engineering was propounded by. So it is propounded by option number D. Because none of the options are correct, as the correct answer is Roscoe Pound. 37. According to proof HLA Hart, the primary rules of obligation must be supplemented with these three secondary rules. The correct option is option number A, rules of recognition, change and adjudication. 38. In the Hofieldian scheme of things, the jural opposite of duty is, so the jural opposite of duty is privilege, option number A. 39. The basic hypothesis given by Kelson is option number B, Grun norm. 40th. A distinction between static and progressive societies are drawn by option number D, Maine. 41. The idea of social contract was conceived of by Rousseau as being option number D, exercise of general will of the people. 42. Hart was critical of Austin's theory. The book written by him which highlights the shortcomings of Austin's theory has been titled option number B, the concept of law. 43. When among the following was an exponent of natural law with a variable content? So it shall be who among the following? The correct option is option number A, Stambler. 44. Which of the following is a formulation of the historical school? The correct option is option number D, all of the above. Law is like language and has a spontaneous nature of growth. Law has a national character and law is found and not made. These all are the formulation of the historical school. 45th. Austin defined the positive mark of sovereignty as. So the correct option is option number C. The generality of society must be in the habit of obedience to a common and determinate superior. 46. Which historical jurist is known as social Darwinist for his comparative research on revolution and development of law and legal systems? The correct option is option number C, Maine. 47. Who said law may be defined as an assemblage of signs decorative of a violation conceived or adopted by the sovereign in a state? The correct option is option number D, Bentham. 48. The obiter in a case has the following significance for future decision. The correct option is option number B. It has a persuasive value. 49. The terms culpa lata and culpa levis mean. So it means option number A, gross negligence and slight negligence. 50. Negligence is not a particular state of mind but is a particular kind of conduct. This is known as option number B, objective theory of negligence. 51. Corpus possessionis and animus possidendi signify. So it signifies option number A, the physical and mental aspects of possession. Like corpus possessionis mean the physical aspect of possession and animus possidendi means mental aspects of possession. 52nd. If a norm is for long disregarded in a practice and courts no longer follow it in decided cases, such a state of disuse of norm is known as option number C, desuetude. 53. The term Gerd norm means. So it means option number C, basic norms. 54. The province of jurisprudence determined is a classic work on jurisprudence by option number A, John Austin. 55. Nature of judicial process is a famous work of a judge of the US Supreme Court who viewed law in a sociological perspective. The name of that judge is Option number 1, Benjamin Cardozo. 56. Ownership is a right indefinite in point of user, unrestricted in point of disposition, and unlimited in point of duration. The above definition of the term ownership was given by, this is option number A, Salmond. 57th. As per Indian law, the time period required to acquire title by adverse possession is option number B, 12 years. 58. Which of the following are not dual correlatives? The correct option is option number A, power and immunity, because the dual correlative of power is liability. 59. Who was of the opinion that right was a capacity of a person of controlling the actions of others with the assent and assistance of the state? The correct option is option number B, Holland. 60. Who propounded the theory of social contract? Correct option is option number C, Rousseau. 61st. Which of the following is a correct match? So the correct match is option number A. The idea of common heritage of mankind was propounded by Arvid Pardo. 62. The agreement relating to the implementation of dash of the UK Convention on the Law of the Sea of 1982 was adopted in 1994. So the correct option is option number D. Part 11 of the UK Convention on the Law of the Sea of 1982 was adopted in the year 1994. 63. In which of the following cases prescriptions was applied as a general principles of law recognized by any civilized nations? The correct option is option number B, Islands of Palmas. Okay, let's see about the other cases and what did they actually deal with. So, Chorjau factory case dealt with claim for indemnity. Eastern Karelia case. So, in this case, Eastern Karelia principle was evolved, which is orthodoxly understood as meaning that state consent is a precondition for the exercise of the advisory jurisdiction in bilateral disputes. And Corfu Charan case, you all know very well about it. This case deals with right of innocent passage. 64. In which of the following cases advisory opinions it was stated that General Assembly resolutions, even if not binding, may have normative value, contents and conditions of their adoption are important? So the case is option number C, advisory opinion on legality of the threat or use of nuclear weapons. 65. Which of the following is an incorrect match? So the correct option is option number B, Vattel is a positivist. This is totally incorrect. 66. Which of the following is not a form of reparation for the injury caused by internationally wrongful act in the ILC draft code or responsibility of states for internationally wrongful acts of 2001? The correct option is option number B, servitude. 67. Who made the statements that the obligatory force of international law stems from Vereinbarung or agreement of states to become bound by common consent? This agreement is an expression of a common will of states, and states cannot unilaterally withdraw consent. The correct option is option number A, triple. 68. Which of the following is not covered in the category of the classification made by Austin? The correct option is option number A, international law. 69. What is Blackstonian doctrine? So it means, the doctrine says that customary international law is a part of common law. 70. According to Article 38 Clause 2 of the Statute of International Court of Justice, the ICJ may decide a case. So it may decide a case upon ex equo et bono. Option number D, which means from equity and conscience. 71. Which of the following is incorrect? According to UN Convention on Law of the Sea, the contiguous zone is established to exercise the control necessary to prevent and punish infringement of coastal states relating to. So here the correct option is option number B, security. 72. In which of the following cases the International Court of Justice recognized the right of innocent passage? The correct option is option number B, Corfu Channel case. 73. Which of the following exploit mining site of the seabed? The correct option is option number A, Enterprise. 74. Which of the following statement is correct about equidistant spatial circumstances rule of Geneva Convention on Continental Shelf 1958? The correct option is option number B, that it is not a customary law. 75. The outer limit of the continental shelf shall not exceed in any case beyond. The correct option is option number D. 350 nautical miles or 100 nautical miles from 2500 meter isobats. 76. Disputes arising out of contract shall be referred to municipal courts of state which grants concession, and this is known as Calvo clause, option number D. 77. Which of the following statement is correct about the European Commission of Human Rights? The correct option is option number A. It has been abolished. 78. The Lotus case was decided primarily on the basis of, so it was decided primarily on the basis of customary law, option number A. 79. Which of the following is not related to the relationship between international law and municipal law? The correct option is option number A, enabling rule. In Union of India versus Sukumar Sen Gupta, All India Reporters 1990 SC 1692, the Supreme Court stated that agreements of 1974 and 1982 between India and Bangladesh concerning Teen Biga. Option number B, it said that the agreements didn't require a legislative action. 81. Who propounded the absolute ability theory as a basis for liability in tort for industrial injuries? The correct option is option number D. P.N. Bhagwati CJ, then CJ, when the rule was propounded. The word nuisance is derived from, so the word nuisance is derived from option number A, nur, or you can say neo. French word, it's a French word actually. 83. Mistake is a good defense for the tort of, option number D, malicious prosecution. 84. While D was on a drive in his 2-horse carriage, a dog barked and pounced on the horses. Thereby, the horse got scared and became unmanageable and injured P, a pedestrian. P sued D. What defense is available to P? The correct option is option number B. It's an inevitable accident. So, this is the defense which is available to P. 85th. In which of the following cases it is actionable defamation? Option number B. D dictates a defamatory letter about P to his stenographer. 86. In an action for defamation, in which of the following cases the defense of absolute privilege is not available? The correct option is option number A. Statements made on a privileged occasion in the discharge of official duty, which is a report of parliamentary proceedings. 87. In which of the following cases Lord Wilberforce opined that it is necessary to consider 3 elements inherent in any claim for nervous shock: the class of persons whose claim should be recognized, the proximity of such persons to the incident, and the means adopted by which shock is caused. The correct option is option number A, McLaughlin versus O'Brien, and the other 3 cases are also related to psychiatric damages or say nervous shock. 88. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So, option number B, the correct option is option number B. Nervous shock must have been due to fear of immediate personal injury to oneself. It can also be due to fear of immediate personal injury to oneself and to other. 89th. What does maxim novus actus interveniens mean? So, the correct option is option number B. Injury to the plaintiff happens because of act of third party between the wrongful act of the defendant and injury to the plaintiff. 90. In which of the following cases the court stated that in modern states the distinction between sovereign and non-sovereign powers doesn't exist? The correct option is option number C, and Nagendra Rao and company versus state of AP. 91. Who is the proponent of pigeonhole theory? The correct option is option number A, Salmon. 92. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The correct option is option number B. In England, under law of tariffs, both slander and libel are actionable per se without the proof of any damage. Proof of damage is always required, proving the torts in the case of both slander and libel. 93. For the purpose of scienter rule, animals manifest nature means. So it means option number A, animals are harmless by nature. 94. Who propounded the objective theory of negligence? The correct option is option number D, Pollock. 95. Which of the following cases is an authority on rescue cases an exception to maximum volunteer non-fit injuria? The correct option is option number A, Haynes versus Harwood. 96. And even the other case also deal Also creates an exception to the maxim voluntary non-fit injuria, but the cases are not actually related to rescue cases. There is only one option, which is option number A. 96. Which of the following is breach of absolute right actionable per se? The correct option is option number C, trespass. 97. P, while travelling as a passenger, was injured on account of negligence on the railways. A, an action lies. So an action lies. Option number D, P must exercise an option to sue either in tort or for breach of contract. 98. What does the maxim de minimis non curat lex means? It means option number B, law doesn't take notice of trifles. 99. The term tort has been derived from tortum, which means, so it means option number B, twisted. 100. In tort there is a claim for, so there is a claim for option number A, unliquidated damages. 101. A covenant not to sue one of the joint tortfeasors has the effect of, this is option number B, releasing only the joint tortfeasor and not others. 102. Mental condition of the wrongdoer at the time of wrongdoing is option number A, relevant in torts based on fault. 103. Which of the following enactments provides for grounds of divorce available to wife only? The correct option is option number A, Dissolution of Muslim Marriages Act 1939. In which of the following cases the Delhi High Court held that pronouncement of talaq 3 times at a time by a Muslim husband results in a single talaq? The correct option is option number B, Masroor Ahmad case. 105. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986 deals with, so it deals with option number A, maintenance rights of divorced Muslim women. 106. A Sunni Muslim husband marries his wife's sister. The marriage is option number D, irregular. 107. Which one of the following is not a ground of divorce provided by Dissolution of Muslim Marriages Act 1939? The correct option is option number D, conversion of husband to some other faith. 108. Which one of the following is not a form of divorce in Muslim law? This option number A, fasid. 109. The iddat period of divorced Muslim woman who was pregnant at the time of her divorce is, so the correct option is option number C, period between the divorce and the delivery of her child or the termination of her pregnancy, whichever is earlier. 110. Which one of the following grounds is not available to Hindu and Muslim wives both to claim divorce? The correct option is option number A, husband renounce the world by entering any religious order. 111. Divorce by mutual consent in Muslim law is called, so it is called option number A, Mubarak. 112. A born Muslim girl brought up in a Hindu orphanage married a Hindu boy as per Shastric rites. The marriage is option number B, invalid. 113. Which of the following cases the Supreme Court has directed the states and the central government to make provisions for compulsory registration of all marriages in India? The correct option is option number C. In the case of Seema versus Ashwini Kumar, the Supreme Court has directed the states and the central government to make provisions for compulsory registration of all marriages in India. 114. A Hindu boy was given in adoption by his parents. Later he marries his biological father's brother's daughter. The marriages. So the correct option is option number B, void unless protected by custom or usage. 150. Which one of the following girls is not a sapinda to a Hindu boy? The correct option is option number A, maternal grandfather's brother's daughter. 116. A Sikh solemnized his marriage to a Buddhist girl as per Hindu rites and ceremonies. The marriage is option number B, invalid. 117. There has been no restitution of conjugal rights as between the parties to the marriage for a period of 1 year after the passing of a decree for restitution of conjugal rights in proceedings to which they were parties. The marriage. So the marriage, option number D, can be dissolved on a petition for divorce by either party. 118. The Hindu wife was at the time of marriage pregnant by some other person other than the husband. The marriage. So the marriage is option number C. It's actually voidable at the option of the husband. 119. International Criminal Court is situated at, so it is situated at option number C, The Hague. 120. Children of a sister and a brother can validly married under which of the following laws? The correct option is option number C, Muslim law. 121. A married Muslim can change his religion and became a Hindu. After 1 month, he got married to a Hindu girl. So the marriage is option number A valid as it was contracted after conversion, which results in automatic dissolution of Muslim marriage. 122. A Hindu wife seeks a decree of judicial separation from her Hindu husband. After 1 year, he married again. The marriage is void because judicial separation doesn't mean like you have divorced your spouse. Once you are divorcing the spouse according to the law, according to the rule made by law, then the second marriage comes as a valid, otherwise it's a void. 123. Under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, conversion of a spouse to any other religion would. So the correct option is option number C, give rise to a cause in favor of the other spouse for filing a petition for divorce. 124. Marriage of a Hindu male to his wife's mother is. Correct option is option number D, void unless protected by custom or usage. 135. A Hindu marriage is valid even though option number A, consent of the parties to the marriage was not taken. So irrespective of whether the consent is given or not, marriage is always valid in cases of Hindu law. 126. A child of a Hindu marriage which is null and void or which is annulled by a decree of nullity has a right to inherit the property of this option number C, father and mother both. The child can succeed his property rights only in the property of his or her parents. 127. While determining damage, which of the following is taken into account? The correct option is option number A, inconvenience caused by non-performance. 128. Duty to mitigate damages on part of injured party arises. Option number D, either A or B, like in cases of breach at the time fixed for performance of the contract or in cases of anticipatory breach. 129. Amar enters into a contract with Suresh for which Suresh is guilty of fraud. Amar can, option number B, set aside the contract and recover damages. 130. In a contract, consideration could be supplied by, so consideration could be supplied by even strangers to contract. 131. Under the Indian Contract Act, a minors agreement has the same consequence as a option number A, drunkard's agreement. The leading case of Carlyle Carbolic Smoke Ball and Company is related to option number A, general offer. 133. The remedies for breach of contract are option number C, compensatory damages. 134. Specific performance as a remedy for breach of contract exists in option number D, the Specific Relief Act. 135. The doctrine of privity of contract means that option number D, only parties to contract can sue and be sued upon the contract. Then 136. Quid pro quo means option number A, something in return. 137. Quasi contracts are the situations where option number A, law creates obligations for a non-contracting party. 138. A sells by auction to B a horse which A knows to be unsound. Which one of the following situations amounts to fraud? Option number B. B says daughter has just come of age and A remains silent and says nothing to B about the horse's unsoundness. 139. Which of the following doesn't vitiate free consent under the provisions of Contract Act? The correct option is option number A, mistake of law in force in India. 140. Hadley versus Baxendale deals with. The correct option is option number A, remoteness of damages. 141. Who is called a promisee according to the Contract Act? The correct option is option number B, a person accepting the proposal. 142. A wagering agreement is. So the wagering agreement is void and enforceable. 143. What among the following is known for change of the nature of the obligation in a contract? The correct option is option number A, novation. 144. Which of the following statement is correct? The correct option is option number D, stranger to consideration can enforce a promise. 145. If the compensation to be paid on breach of contract is the genuine pre-estimate of the prospective damages, it is known as. The correct option is option number D, liquidated damages. 146. Reciprocal promises provide for doing certain things which are legal and certain others which are illegal under section 57. So in that case, the correct option is option number A. The first set is valid but the second set is void. 147. A contract not specifying the place of performance. The correct option is option number C. The promisor has to apply to the promisee for appointment of a place of performance and perform the promise at that place. 148. What is a reasonable time for the performance of a contract? The correct option is option number B. It's a question of fact. 149. If the time of performance of the contract is the essence of the contract and the promisor fails to perform the contract by the specified time, the correct option is option number C. The contract becomes voidable at the instance of the promisee. 150. In determining the question of dash inadequacy of consideration is relevant, the correct option is option number D. Free consent. 155. McNaughton's principles are with respect to. The correct option is option number A. Insanity. 152. Which of the following is not defamation? The correct option is option number D. Battery. 153. Who was the chairman of the first law commission and drafted the Indian Penal Code? The correct option is option number C. Lord Macaulay. 154. Which of the following types of insanity is recognized as a defense under the IPC? The correct option is option number B. Legal insanity. 155. A person may voluntarily cause the death of an assailant in the exercise of right of private defense to protect himself against an assault done with the intention of. The correct option is all of the above. Causing death, committing rape, causing grievous hurt. 156. Under the scheme of CRPC, offences have been classified into bailable and non-bailable, cognizable and non-cognizable under. The correct option is option number A. The first schedule. 157. Section 2 clause 10 of the CRPC defines warrant cases as those punishable with imprisonment for a term exceeding. The correct option is option number A. Exceeding 2 years. 158. Under section 125 of the CRPC, a person cannot be asked to maintain the following. Option number C. His siblings. 159. Offences other than those mentioned under section 320 of the CRPC are option number D. Not compoundable. 160. In which provision of the CRPC the principle of atrefus acquit and atrefus convict is contained? The correct option is option number C. Section 300. Person once convicted or acquitted not be tried for same offence. Let's see about the other section. Section 144 deals with power to issue order in urgent cases of nuisance of apprehended danger. Section 165 deals with search by police officer and section 302 deals with punishment for murder. 161. Under section 125 of the CRPC, the maximum amount of maintenance payable per month is option number D. Actually, there is no prescribed limit. 162. Sections 219, 220 and 221 of the CRPC lay down provisions regarding, so it lays down provisions regarding option number B. Joinder of charges. 163. In taking and recording evidence, the language of every court within the state other than the High Court shall be. The correct option is option number C. Determined by the respective state government. 164. Which of the following is true regarding section 34 of the IPC? The correct option is option number C. It's a rule of evidence. 165. Under section 98 of the IPC, a person can claim right of private defense against. The correct option is all of this. A child below 7 years of age, a person of unsound mind, and option number C. One who is acting under a mistake of fact. 166. Gyan Kaur vs. State of Punjab is a famous case relating to option number C. Attempt to commit suicide. 167. Following is not an exception given under section 300 of the IPC. The correct option is option number D. Intoxication. 168. The term dishonestly under IPC has been defined as doing something, option number A, with intention of causing wrongful gain to one person or wrongful loss to another. 169. What amounts to grave and sudden provocation in a given case is? It's actually a question of fact, option number B. 170. Immovable property can be the subject matter of option number B. Extortion. 171. Which of the following has not been designated as grievous hurt under section 320 of the IPC? The correct option is option number C. Temporary loss of hearing capacity. 172. Minimum of 5 persons are not required to option number C in committing affray. 173. In criminal trials, whenever the accused seeks the benefit of any exception, the onus is on him to prove the applicability of such exception. So this is known as option number B, on a preponderance of probability. 174. The right of private defense is based on the natural instinct of, so it is based on the natural instinct of option number D, self-preservation. 175. The right of private defense is, so the correct option is option number B, the right of defense but not a right of retribution. So this is the end of the session. I hope you all liked it. Kindly feel free to share your comments, suggestions or any query in the comment box below. You can also reach us at query@judicentral.com. I have provided the address of my website and the email address in the description box below. Kindly check it. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to this channel, of course, if you haven't subscribed yet. So with this note, I am signing off. Have a great day.